Maury Travis was a serial killer who had been picking up prostitutes and murdering them. The bodies started turning up in 2001, and the St. Louis Post-Dispatch wrote a story about one of the victims. After the story came out, Maury Travis sent them a letter and gave a map to where the cops could find another body. In the letter, Maury Travis claimed he had killed 17 women, but some people think his body count was even higher than that. We'll never know how many people he really killed though, because Maury Travis killed himself in jail before his trial could start. St. Louis used to be the murder capital of America, but the violence is actually starting to slow down a little bit. In 2022, the FBI reported that violent crime in the city was lower than it had been in 10 years. But then just 1 year later, the crime rate went up again, and it's still one of the deadliest cities in the country. Between the gangs, the serial killers, and other random murderers, St. Louis is the kind of place where you can get killed anytime and anywhere.
Let's discuss my payment.
That time is past. No 5,000 for you.
The price is 50.
How about your payment is you get to leave?
Not enough.
Now you think you can negotiate with me? I say the word, my nephews go to a certain motel, pay a visit to your daughter.